pay a bit to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Siti Mahfuza. Today we are going to present our requirement analysis report of UUMJob.Web. But before we begin, I am Siti Nabia binti Azmi, metric number 273657.
My name is Nurhanis Miti Masrudin. My metric number is 272770.
Without further ado, let's begin with Hanis.
The first content in this slide are introduction. There are two elements which are purpose and scope. The purpose of this project are to create a website that allow user to apply and create job, gain side income and hire people to work. For scope, this project only involve UUM communities and also link job distributor and applicants. Next is general description. There are four elements which are function, user, general constraints, and assumption and dependencies. The function of this project is to create a website that allow user to create and apply job. Targeted users are web administrator and job applicant and creator. General constraints for this project involve the limitation for software, website, and hardware. Lastly, for assumption and dependencies, we assume that the user has computer skills and browsing knowledge. While for dependencies, these websites are depending on internet connection to work. Requirement gathering involves two types, which are primary and secondary data gathering. For primary, we had distributed a survey using Google Form, which includes 5 sections. Section A asks about their demographic profile. Most of the respondents are female students and aged from 20 until 25 years old. Section B asks about the design. As a result, respondents had chose to use slide and simple theme, cyber yellow plus royal dark blue palette, and Arial font. On section C, we asked about content or special features. The respondents suggested us to add category, finance, health, home, and job features. They also recommend us to add confirmation button and video in the website. Lastly, they recommend us to refer JobStreet in order to develop our website. Next, in section D, we asked about the performance. Majority of the respondents said that 3 seconds are the most effective loading period and they would leave the website if the page loads more than 15 seconds. The last section are asking on their suggestions. Most of the respondents voted that Facebook would be the most effective platform to spread our website. There are also some comments from them in order for us to create better and user-friendly website. For comparative data gathering, we had compared 3 types of websites which are LinkedIn, FastJobs, and JobStreet. The comparison are based on the design, function, special features, performance, and multimedia elements. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
I'm going to continue on the requirement analysis, and first is the discussion about what we have gained from the data gathering. So after analyzing those data and information from our respondents, we have determined what we should put and apply on our website. Among them are regarding how they want the website design to look like, what are the functions they wish to have in the website, and we also take everything they suggest and request, such as to add a space for users to promote their service, or we call it some sort of advertising space. After analyzing everything, we proceed within all the functional and non-functional requirements for our website. First, let's take a look on the functional requirement. We have the requirement ID, description, and priority. Have a look on UJW01. Before that, all the UJW stands for UUMJob.Web. Okay, again, UJW01, which is login and logout website. Under 01, the website will be able to verify valid user, display error message, and let the users to log out anytime they want. Next, UJW02, which is manage users data. Under 02, the website will be able to preserve and display users data, allow users to edit their personal data, and able to save and store updated data. After that, UJW03, which is apply jobs. Under 03, the website will be able to display all available jobs, allow users to apply any of their desired job, save and store each job application, and link the users to a new tab or application such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and etc. Proceed with the fourth functional requirement, UUMJob.Web, which is create or distribute jobs. Under 04, the website should allow users to create or distribute job, allow users to edit or delete what they have updated, and able to save and store each job created. Next is UUMJob.05, which is offer services. Under 05, the website should allow users to offer any services they provide, or in other words, advertise their service, allow users to edit or delete what they have updated, and able to save and store each service offered. Last but not least, UUMJob.06, which is give feedbacks. Under 06, the website should allow users to give feedbacks on their experience in using website, and also it is able to save, store, and display feedbacks. So that's all for requirement analysis. Next, we proceed with the non-functional requirement. We have 4 issues altogether. The first is UUMJob.07, which is performance issue. Under 07, the website is expected to load not more than 5 seconds, and if that is failed, it should be okay after they refresh the page. After that, we have UUMJob.08, which is the security issue. Under 08, the website is expected to take care of users' personal data and only can be shared between the users themselves, and the personal data of the users can only be edited by the user personally. Next, UUMJob.09, which is operational issue. Under 09, the website shall be accessed by using Microsoft Windows and also macOS, and also the activation website is expected to be independent with the internet. And last but not least, we have UUMJob.10, which is cultural and political issue. So the website is expected to be able to display time according to Malaysia country time zone, and we have done with the non-functional requirement. We proceed with the basic flow of the website. We explain the basic flow in the table form. As we can see, we have linked all the functional requirements so that we won't miss any of them in planning and stating the basic flow. So we start when user click on UUMJob.Web link, and it will bring user to the main page. Basically, on the main page, we will have the menu, right, including home, about us, contact, login, and so on. First, when user click on login or sign up button, a form to login or sign up will appear. Then they can fill and explore the website like in more detail. After that, when user click on home page, then the home page will display. Same goes to the other page like about us, contact, and services. They have their respective page and information to be displayed. Then when user click on my profile button, it will display their own biography, and also they will have the option to edit their personal information. After that, under services, we have like the listing 3 things, which is apply jobs, create jobs, and offer services. First, when user clicks on apply jobs, the website will display a list of available jobs that have been created by other users. Not just that, they will be given the option to apply for any job they want. And once they click on apply button, we will bring them directly to the job creators messaging application such as WhatsApp. Other than that, when user click on create jobs button, a form will display on a page consisting of details required for them to fill in. Then they would need to fill the form and submit. After that, they will have the option to edit and delete the submission. Then the same concept will be applied to the users when they click on offer services button. Last but not least, when user clicks on feedbacks button, the website will display a list of feedbacks from other users, and they will have the option to add feedback on the text field we provide and submit their own feedback. Okay, that's all for the basic flow. Next, we have use case model. As we can see, we have only one character model and we have labeled it as our user. Basically, the user will have access to all of the use case. Among them are login and logout website, manage user data, apply jobs, create or distribute jobs, offer services, and also give feedbacks. Okay, so we have come to the conclusion. We hope that all the requirements that we have suggested and analyzed from the data gathering will make the website work efficiently according to what our users want. That's all. Thank you and have a great day ahead.